Mastering SWOT Analysis, your ultimate guide. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on mastering SWOT analysis. How do we achieve strategy and competitive advantage? It starts with understanding your current position. We'll show you how to use SWOT to evaluate projects and identify key areas for improvement. Understand each step to truly harness SWOT's power in driving success. Defining your why project scope. Before we dive into the SWOT analysis, we need to start with the why. Why are we doing this project? What's the ultimate goal? Defining the project scope isn't just listing objectives. It's about understanding the deeper purpose, the reason it exists. This shared understanding guides your SWOT analysis and ensures everyone moves in the same direction. Gathering intelligence, brainstorming, and data collection. Now that we understand our why, we need to gather information for our SWOT analysis. Think of this stage as gathering intelligence. Just like a general needs to understand the battlefield, you need a clear picture of your environment. This involves collecting data from various sources. Remember, a SWOT analysis thrives on diverse perspectives. Recognizing your strengths. Every organization, every project has inherent strengths. These are the things you do exceptionally well, setting you apart from the competition. Identifying strengths isn't about tooting your own horn, it's about recognizing the solid foundation you have. What internal resources, processes, or skills give you an edge? Maybe it's your team's expertise, a strong brand, or a unique approach to customer service. Chapter 4. Acknowledging weaknesses. Now take an honest look at areas for improvement. Every project, every organization has weaknesses. These internal factors might hold you back. Perhaps it's a lack of resources or outdated technology or a need for better communication. Acknowledging weaknesses is not failure, it's a sign of strength and growth. Chapter 5. Unveiling Opportunities. Opportunities are external factors you can leverage for growth and success. Driven by market changes, trends, or new technologies, imagine a surfer waiting for the perfect wave. They study the ocean and paddle with all their might. Identifying opportunities is about being that surfer. Chapter 6. Confronting Threats. Just as there are opportunities in the external environment, there are also potential threats. These are external factors that could negatively impact your project if you're not prepared to address them. Threats can come from competitors, economic shifts, changes in regulations, or even disruptive technologies. Identifying these threats early on allows you to develop strategies to mitigate risk and stay ahead of the curve. Chapter 7. The SWOT Matrix, Connecting the Dots. Now that we've identified our strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, it's time to bring them together in a visual format, the SWOT Matrix. This matrix shows the interconnectedness of these elements and their relation to your goals. By placing each factor in its quadrant, you create a clear snapshot of your position, allowing you to see the big picture. Chapter 8. From Analysis to Action, Developing Strategies. The SWOT analysis is not just about identifying factors, it's about using those insights to develop actionable strategies. This is where the real magic happens. By examining the relationships between the quadrants, you can start to formulate strategies that leverage your strengths, address your weaknesses, capitalize on opportunities, and mitigate threats. Chapter 9. The Cycle of Success Implementation and Monitoring. A SWOT analysis is not a one-time exercise, it's a living document that should be revisited regularly. The business world is constantly changing, and your SWOT analysis needs to evolve. Monitor your strategy's effectiveness and make adjustments as needed. This ensures your SWOT analysis remains relevant and drives success. Outro: Your journey to mastering SWOT analysis. Use SWOT analysis to gain insights and make informed decisions for your project. Understand the why behind each element to drive strategic action. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more content. Let's continue this journey of growth together.